Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, From the Scratch, a business clinic meant for business starters and entrepreneurs who want to leverage on my experience in order to build their businesses. My name is Chijioke Chikwesere, your business guardian. It is always said that you need to act like a millionaire in order to become one. That is why today I'm bringing you the 7 habits of a millionaire. Number one, it is said that the more hands you shake, the more money you make. Millionaires know how to make strategic friends at the right time and in the right places. Mind you, it is not the quantity of friends, but the quality of these friends. So I'm asking you today, how many strategic friends are you making? Number two, they know how to manage their energies. How many of your energies are you managing today? Because it is also said that if you throw stones at any dogs that barks at you, you will not get to anywhere. That is why it is very necessary for you to learn how to manage your energy. It's not every war that you will fight, especially wars that has to do with your destinations, wars that have to do with your destiny. So if you must become a millionaire, you must learn how to manage your energies for the right thing. Number three, it is said that a man's capacity to make money or make wealth is dependent on the capacity of his brain. So that is what millionaires know. What are you feeding your mind? Your mind is what is going to make you that wealth that you are looking forward to getting. So that is why it is very, very necessary for you to feed your mind with the right information at every point in time. So you shouldn't be feeding your mind with whatever thing. Number four, an average millionaire knows how to ask why. He's not really worried about what is happening in the environment. He really wants to know why. That is the power of curiosity. So if you have the power of curiosity, that means you have the ability to make wealth, because wealth is all about information. So you should be able to ask why at every point in time. Number five, ask for feedback. Feedback is very important, not only in the business world, but also in your career. When you ask for feedback, it will help people to give you quality assessment that will help you to get better at what you are doing. So you need to learn how to treat feedback for what it is. It's not criticism. It's just an information that is being given to you back from your potential clients or from your customers in order to make the services better for them, which will bring about more money in your account. And this is what millionaires do. Number six, millionaires know how to measure everything. How can you improve on something that you are not measuring? Of course, if you want to go to the gym in order to lose weight, you need to know the weight that you are now in order to know what you are working to achieve. So that is how millionaires think. How can you make more money if you are not measuring the money you have at the moment? How will you even know that you are making progress or that you are going backward? So that is why it is very, very important for you to measure if you must become a millionaire. And finally, number seven, millionaires know how to take strategic actions. The Japanese people said that the best time to plant a tree is 100 years ago, and the other best time is now. So what are you waiting for? Take that action, because waiting further kills creativity. So that is how the millionaires think. They always look out for what they want to do. They don't even allow the thing to wait for a long while before they will take action in order to maximize the profits that comes from it. If you keep on waiting, you will kill your creativity. That is why I'm charging you today. If you want to become a millionaire, take strategic actions today. And those are the 7 habits of a millionaire. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? It takes us time and energy to make content like this that will, of course, help us to enhance our business skills and achieve the financial freedom that we are looking for. Please consider subscribing, comment, and like in order to help others to see this video, and also as part of encouraging us to do more videos in the future. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.